Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT P50, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this process will remove things like screen locks if you have ones that you don't know. As you can see, I do have a pattern set right here, and I'll just kind of go through it as though I wouldn't know it. Now another thing that I'll mention is by doing so, you'll also most likely lock the device through FRP. Which means that if you are logged into your Google account on your phone and you have a pattern, you perform this. Later on, once you go through the setup, you will need to verify the Google account or the previously used screen lock. So, assuming we don't know the screen lock, that only leaves the Google account. But I'm also going to make later on a video on how you can bypass this as well. That will be a separate video, so if you will need a video on that, just stay tuned, look for it. So anyway, number one, we're going to get started by turning off the device. So simply hold the power key and power off. Next thing, you will also need a cable that's connected to your computer. So I have one right over here. Yep, it's a type C, so that's going to be a good one. So hold the volume up, and while holding volume up, just plug it in. Now you will see that there is this 3 option menu popping up. So using volume up, you want to select recovery mode, which is the first option, right? Yep, needed to look a little bit closer at it. I'm gonna zoom it in just so you can see it clearly. So there we go. So you select these options using only volume up. As you can see, once the recovery mode is selected with this arrow right here, press volume down. And this will now boot us, I believe, into boot mode. But I guess we're gonna find out just in a second. Not boot mode, there we go. So the Android with no command. Anyway, once you see this, you will need to hold power key and press volume up. This will then take us to the recovery mode. And in here, again, using volume keys, this time around you can use both of them. So volume down will now take you down, and up, go up. You want to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it with power key, select factory data reset. Gives you formatting data and then data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So again, press power key once more, and this will now continue the process in the background. Now the device will be turning on a little bit longer than you might be used to. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once that's finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, you can now set up your device however you want. Assuming it is not FRP locked, which for me, you can see that it is. But like I mentioned, I'm going to show you later on how we can bypass this as well. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.